Undercounter dishwashers are perfect for warewashing in low-volume bars, cafes, and coffee shops. These are great for quickly washing and sanitizing small capacities of plates, mugs, and glasses, handling 20 to 40 racks per hour. A major decision to make when selecting an undercounter dishwasher is whether a high-temp or low-temp unit best suits your needs. Low-temp units wash at temperatures from 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit and use chemicals to sanitize dishes. These chemicals must be refilled weekly or monthly. Operators should contract with chemical providers for the necessary cleaning agents, raising the unit's cost over its lifetime. High-temp undercounter dishwashers heat water to at least 180 degrees Fahrenheit to clean dishes. High-temp units draw more power than low-temp units and tend to cost more up front, so keep this in mind when selecting one. If you need help selecting an undercounter dishwasher for your operation, visit us online or call our customer care team for information today.